Now, this is sort of a little recap of how to use the VWAP. Basically, you use it for three things. Use standard deviations to identify whether there is a rotation or a trend. That's the first thing. The second one, use standard deviations to identify support and resistance zones. And third, use VWAP, that's the yellow line in the middle, as a take profit. The reason for that is it works as a magnet. That's why I said before that it was important, right? So remember those 3 points. You can basically build your own strategies around those.